Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be testing out the Too Faced Tutti Frutti Twinkle Twinkle Glitter Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow Geez. So if you want to see how this product works, then just keep watching. So like I said, we're going to be testing this liquid glitter eyeshadow from Too Faced on. This is $22 at Ulta is where I got it. When I got it, it was actually having a 40% off sale, so I paid like $8, $9, something around there. I think $12, I mean, whatever. I didn't pay $22, but they are for $22. It looks like there is 11 shades. Let's see what they say. It just says it's a high shine liquid glitter eyeshadow. And it's multi-dimensional, high shine liquid, coats lid in full sparkle and glitter. I got the shade to try it out. I got Sweet Spot, so it's this like gold shade. Let's test it out on my hand. Oh, that's not very, that's okay. It's glittery. Like when you look at it, it doesn't look glittery, but then when I see it move in the light, I can see a lot of glitter in it. So we're going to test this out. This isn't really new, but then again, the way makeup comes out, nothing feels new anymore, but this is still fairly new. So I'm gonna try it out. We're gonna see how it holds up throughout the day, see if the glitter starts to fall off and whatnot. So let's just do a very basic eye look real quick. So this is not something you can get anymore. It's the Tarte and Aspen Ovard palette, but I am going to still use it. But I'm just basically using neutral shades of brown. So you can use any neutral shade. It doesn't have to be this palette. So let's get started. So for this palette, I'm going to go in with High School Sweetheart, which is just slightly darker than my skin tone just to start my transition. And I'm using the Morphe M518 brush to do that. I know I've been sitting here more than back there. It just, I don't know why. Sitting over there makes me not want to film. Over here, I just feel like I'm in my vanity. I'm in my normal space of doing makeup. So, sorry if it's not as pleasing, whatever. Okay. Now I'm going to go into Tea Time, which is just a warm toned brown. So any warm tone that you have. And I'm going to put that in the same spot, just a little bit lower, but mostly in the same spot. And I'm actually just going to use the same brush too. I'm going to now go in with the deep brown shade. So this one is called, I can't even read it, Road Trip. So you just need a dark brown. And then I'm going to use the MAC 217 brush to put that in the outer V. Okay, I'm going to go back in with the other brush, grab a little bit of the Tea Time, the middle shade that we used, and just blend this out more so it's more seamless. Now, really quickly, let's do my lower lid. So, that's too thin. You're too thin. Oh well. So I'm going to take that Road Trip, the dark brown shade, and I'm going to use this Alamad brush. It doesn't have a name, but it's a flat definer brush. We're going to put that right along the lower lash line. But I'm going to keep that on the outer edge only. Okay, so then I'm going to go back in with Tea Time, which is that middle shade again. And I'm going to use this Eco Tools Eye and Lip Blur. Okay. And we're going to use that to buff the bottom. And then put a little bit up here. Okay, now let's go ahead and take the Sweet Spot shade. Yeah, Sweet Spot, geez. And I'm just going to use the applicator to cut the crease with this. Oh, all right.
Oh, that was too much.
So you definitely need to layer it because this is like the first layer. So then if I flip this over, now we can get more product. I'm gonna let this dry for a second because it still feels wet. Okay, I'm gonna highlight the inner corner of my brow bone with the shade that I always do, which is Max Nylon. I love this stuff. Okay, good enough. It's still wet. Like, I bet it's because I had to do 2 layers. Come on. Oh, I never did mention, while I let this dry, let's mention a little bit more. So this has, I can't read it very well, 6 grams or 0.21 ounces of product in it, and it's got a shelf life of 12 months. I forgot to mention that. Oh, the first ingredient is water. That's interesting. I didn't know that. Okay, now that it's dried a little, I'm gonna go ahead and put some mascara and my lips on, and I'll be right back. Okay, now that the rest is done, real quickly, mascara is the Lancome Monsieur Big, however you say it. Then lips, I kind of wanted to do my lip color with just a little bit more. So it's literally just the Dominique Cosmetic Lemonade lip gloss. Is that the shade? Peach Tea is the shade. So that's all that's on the lips. So far, I really do like this. As of now, I don't have any glitter fallout, which is awesome. As you saw, I did have to do 2 layers. One layer just showed decent sparkle, but I like to have it more. For me, liquid eyeshadows are amazing because they're like the, or how do I phrase this? They're like the, I look like I put a lot of effort into my look, but in reality, I put a couple shadows in the crease and slapped this on. That's what I look for in liquid eyeshadows. So I did have to do a couple of layers to get it to the glitter capacity that I wanted, but so far so good. I will check in at the end of the day to see if it's on my face and how long it held up. So I'll see you then. Okay, so it's now 7:40 something, so it's been about a little over 9 hours, and it's still there. It's definitely on my face. Ignore this, I've been touching that all day. So it did fall on my face, but honestly, not that bad. So I think this is a win. That's all I have for this video, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.